Mr. Crypto Web3 Gaming.
Good day mga ka-crypto! Today I'm sharing with Hamster Combat Daily Zippers. Let's go! For the first word which is letter A, need natin ng dot dash. And then the second word which is letter U, need natin ng dot dash. Okay. For letter D, need natin ng dash dot. Okay, for the fourth word, it's letter I, need natin ng dot. Okay. For the last word, it's letter T, need natin ng dash. Okay. The words for today, it's audit. Take the prize and then thank you. Please like and subscribe.